You can use search and filter on any entity in the system. I'll show how they work based on the product entity. You can search all fields and attributes of the product entity. The administrator can configure which fields should appear here. To perform a search, enter your search query into the corresponding field and hit the Enter key on your keyboard or click the search button. Let's search for can. As you can see, all Canon products which start with can are shown as search results. If I search for Anya, no products are found. For this I should use a wildcard. Thus, an asterisk symbol matches any number of characters including 0. Let's put this symbol at the beginning and at the end of our search query and search again. We see products again. A full text search is also possible. To use it, ask your administrator to activate it for the product entity. Full text search enables me to use more advanced search scenarios. Let's search for Apple. As you can see, 4 products are displayed. Now I want to see only products which don't have silver in the name. As you can see, 1 product has disappeared. Please read the documentation to learn more about full text search. Another way to find products is to use filtering. Filtering works on fields, attributes and also on related records. To filter the entries by the product fields or related entries, open the Filter drop-down list and click on Add Filter. Here you will see all the possible choices. The administrator can configure which fields and related entities are available for filtering. Let's choose the product status. Depending on the field type of your filter, different filtering criteria are possible. More than 30 different filtering criteria can be used to cover all possible filtering requirements. I leave any of and set the status reviewed, and then I click on the search button. Several products have been filtered out. Let's add another filter. This time I choose brand, and once again brand. Brand covers related records for a product. For the first brand filter I choose Canon, and for the second brand filter I choose Apple, and then click on search. As you can see, the products of both brands are displayed, all with the status reviewed. So the system automatically recognizes that OR should be used as a logical operator for your brand's filter. You can also use product attributes as a filter. These are automatically grouped by the product families. Let's choose digital cameras and then camera type. Choose SLR kit as a value and click on the search button. Only one search result appears. The filters set can be saved for a later use. For this, click on the filter menu and then on the save filter, then choose the name for your filter and click on the save. From now on, this filter appears in the filter menu and can be used. To reset all the filters, click on the reset button. It is also possible to use some predefined filters. To use a filter, click on the filter menu and set the checkbox for a filter you wish to choose. I want to see the products which are assigned to me, so I choose only my. Additional predefined filters can be easily programmed according to your business needs. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions.